everyone, I am Angel.
I'm Kevin.
So for today, we are going to share to you some Korean expressions. 실화냐. So Kevin, can you share us the meaning of the 실화냐?
실화, actual meaning is true story. But mostly Korean use this when you hear something unbelievable or not acceptable. And when you talk with close friends, you can use it. But it's little bit impolite expression to elder.
Okay, well, thank you so much for that, Kevin. Now we know some meaning of the Korean expressions. 실화냐. Okay, so let's watch the situations. Hey, what did you call me?
I need to tell you something.
What is it?
Will you marry me?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
You can just stand up first. I really have to tell you something, and it's a secret for me.
What?
I'm a transgender woman.
Bruh.
I'm not really a girl. I am a transgender woman. Like, I do inject just to make me feel like a girl, but I'm really not a girl.
실화냐? 실화냐?
Kevin, I bought 2 eggs from outside, and because I'm really hungry, so do you want one?
Okay.
Let's eat
Thank
together.
실화냐?